Hi boys and girls, we are going to show you how to play a new math game today called Cows and Bulls. So this game is kind of like Guess My Number or the mystery number game. So I'm going to choose a secret number in my head and keep it to myself. And I'm only going to show Miss Monique how many digits it has. So, Miss Monique, how many digits does this number have?
2.
2 digits. So she's
Tens place and a ones place.
So she is going to just take a guess at what it could be. What number might be in the tens place and what number might be in the ones place. So let's see what she thinks. And I have my number in my head.
So I'm gonna guess 97.
97. So now under the numbers she wrote, I'm either gonna write a C. A C is cow. That means that number, that digit is in my number. It's just on the wrong spot. A B means bullseye. That is exactly where that number belongs. And an X means that number is not in the number that I have in my head. So she guessed 97. 9 is nowhere in my number. And 7 is nowhere in my number. So she's gonna have to try again.
So because I already used 9 and 7, I know that neither of the numbers are correct. So that means they don't need to be moved anywhere. So I'm gonna guess 2 different numbers, 56.
56. There's no 5 in the number in my head, and there's no 6 in the number in my head.
Okay, so I'm not going to use 5 and 6 again because I know neither of those are correct either. So I'm going to try...
Or 9 and 7, because those numbers are not.
So I'm going to try 32.
Okay. 32. There is no 3 in my number. And bullseye. There is a 2 in the ones place in my number. So Miss Monique is getting closer.
So I know I've already used a 2, 3, a 5, a 6, a 7, and a 9. So I have an 8 left, a 4 left, and a 1 left. So I'm going to try a 1 and a 2. Whoops. So 12.
Okay, there's no 1 in my number, but yes, she's got the 2 in the correct spot.
Okay, so I already used 1, 2, 3. I didn't use 4. So 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. So I didn't use 4 and I didn't use 8. So I'm going to try 42 because I know my 2 is in the right spot. 42.
Oh, good try, Miss Monique. Not a 4. Yes,
Okay.
a 2.
So I've used all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 I have not tried. So it must be 82.
Bullseye. You got it.
Good
An
job.
8 in the tens place, a 2 in the ones place.
Wonderful.
Okay, so we want to try 3-digit number in case.
Yeah, so this game can totally be played with bigger numbers if you want to challenge yourself.
So we'll give that one a try.
Okay, so we'll
Okay.
try, see how many digits is in, let me think of a number in my head. Okay. So we're taking it to the next level. How many digits does this one have?
3 digits, so it must be in the hundreds.
It is in the
And the same
hundreds.
thing, you're using numbers 0 to 9. So over time, you should get one of the numbers. So I'm going to try 140. So you wouldn't want to do 141, or you could, I guess, and you're still using your 2 numbers.
Oh, that's true.
But I'm going to try to see if I have one of these numbers correct, and I just need to move them in place.
Okay, so bullseye, there is a 1 in the 100s place.
Perfect.
There is no 4 in my number. Now there is a 2 in my number, but it's not in the ones place.
So if 4 isn't here, then that must mean I have a 1, because that's correct. If that is in the number, then it's not in that place. It must go here. So 1, 2, and it's not a 4, so I'm going to try a 5.
Nice. Bullseye with the 1, bullseye with the 2, and there's no 5, but we're getting closer.
So I know I have my 1, my 2, and I already used the 4. I already used the 5. So I'm going to try a 8.
Bullseye, bullseye. No 8 in the ones place.
So 1, 2,
7.
Bullseye, bullseye. No.
Oh.
7.
So I've used a 4, a 5, a 8, a 7. So maybe I'll try
A
6.
6.
1, 2, 6.
Bullseye,
Come
bullseye.
on.
Sorry.
What?
Oh my goodness. 1, 2. What's left? We have a 4, a 5, a 8, a 7.
3.
3. Let's try 3. And I guess we could use.
123.
Perfect.
You got it.
Good job.
So that's a bigger number, so you could try that maybe grade 2s, grade 1s, you could use as a challenge. So that's your math game to try for today.
Fun.
Have fun!
Have fun. Bye.